All right. What's up? What's up? We had a fantastic week. Fantastic week. Um, it's just really awesome. Making money. It's always great. Um, Roughly, I would say, I don't know how many, let's see. I did at least, the entire week. I probably put in, some trades that closed quickly, about 40 trades. 50 trades. The group received the alerts, the signals. Then I had previous signals I was still running to get into, so it's about 20 signals. Then the ones I traded overall, which was another 15 or so. You're talking, we made, I personally, from just the ones that I did not put out, did about 1,300 pips. Losses were around 300 pips or so, 340, 50. Trying to think, made positive on that, on the extra ones, 1,000 pips. And then, so yeah, it's just, it's awesome. Some of the ones I was posting a while back, way back, a year ago, started posting some of these again. I'll be doing some more. Yeah, so you just, you want to get on that. Want to make sure you're, fully engaged, that you're not missing anything. I have the trade copier is, available. I'm running a copier, I'm running on the MQL5. I'm going to just load up a demo account. This way I can always close it and start a new one over and over again at the end of the month. So I was thinking of ways to kind of keep people from doing freebies, because if I kept that same one and log in and all this, that it's changing that, I can just close it. I can, that basically, I have that program. If you want to join that program, you can, and you can capture, big gains. I think the one I did one as an example. Let's see if I can show you an example. All right, so this is one that I ran as an example. And I want to do what I do. First I had one that was a funded live. I had the live, and then I had like the people. It was way too much pressure, and it was hurting my trading. So what I decided to do was like, the way I can give people the most benefit, the way they can make the most money, is to lower the pressure, have it as a demo, and then they can ride those gains. They can really ride those gains. So you come in there, I'll start it off at the beginning of August 1st, and then there's the period 5 days that you can get in. Other than that, it's closed, and you have to wait for the next month. So, you can see here, I started really kicking it, doing some trades right up in here. Kicking it in gear, right up in there. So this one. Then you have a growth here. But this is something I had open for quite a while, and then I started, doing some trades on it. It had dropped down last year, whatever. But, that's the entire account. That's the entire demo that I had up. Then I put it on here and I started trading it. It was down here or something. I don't know how I have it. Whatever. I don't see, it should be the week. It's 5 weeks. Anyway, so this was around 100 for a while, and then I put it on here and just grabbed it and put it on here. 5 weeks. This is actually what I did in 5 weeks. It was 52% growth. you'll see it didn't do anything. Until recently. We started here. There it is, 627. That's what I was looking for. 627. Did a little activity. Didn't do anything. We were doing the live trading. Then I said, let me get back on here and just have this as an example so people can see what some of the signals capable of. Does it show trades? Doesn't show trades. I was trying to do this. Well, you can see that. Well, you see that all it said 23. Okay, see the trades that were done on the account. That grows. Average profit 2. Okay, risk. I haven't clicked all this. Drawdown. I think my drawdown was like 16. Is that right? Yeah, 16. 16.8, 17. Right? You're gonna look at that. It's just an example. I had it as an example then. But it's just, I got to a point where it was just, I felt this unstoppable. So I called it unstoppable gains. Yeah. So I'll start a new one each month and grab onto that. You know, if it fits with something you want to do or you want to try out, put it on a small account or something. And then we'll set it up through the social trader. I mean, not social trader. I didn't even say that. It's social trader. I'm not doing that. MQL. The MQL5. We'll set that up at MQL5. Matter of fact, you know what? I just thought of something. See, if I have this up, then people will still be able to join free. So forget this. I'm gonna do just a social trader. Yeah, I'll just do just a social trader, and I can look at my stats on the thing. So that's what we'll do. We're not gonna do MQL5. We're gonna do social trader, because when I have it like this, you know, I can't moderate who's in and out. So we'll do a social trader account for that. As a matter of fact, you know what? Scratch that. We'll leave it as this. I'm gonna change this to, no, because then I gotta do that. We'll do social trader. I'll just put it on social trader, and that's why I want to have the control. But I don't want people freebieing, because they will absolutely do that. Can't trust you guys. Anyway, all right. So back to and then I'm using some of, oh, this thing showed up the wrong, oh my gosh. So yeah, get rid of that. Let's, don't even use those anymore. All right. It's kind of annoying. So yeah, all right. So I'm expecting this one to do this. Let's see. And you got that nice drop. It came here. I had my center point. Hit here, reversed. Would have your sell limit. Your sell limit up in here. Close it or have it, whatever. So strategy. This formed up a harmonic. Then pushed down. Went a long way. Went the entire range. Right? All the way down to here, 200 pips. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I have my bracket for OddCat. And you're going to learn how to do this trick. I'll take my bracket. I'm probably going to place it. You don't know how to place these on the chart too. Place it probably something like this. And then I'll move my alerts right to the end. And you see the other one didn't go off because that one actually was going to be a stop, would have been a buy stop. If it had gone that far, but notice it's right there. It stopped short because it wasn't a breakout. See how it had stopped short? It wasn't going to be a breakout. I mean, if I had seen it doing that, I didn't see this because I was somewhere else looking at another 28 pairs. I would have just grabbed a short, market short to the next level, to here, and then watch it here, see if there's going to be some confluence, and if not, continue down. So I'm expecting to see this move take place for the next one. This is going to be my next, and this is a target here. It just missed that target. It's going to touch it though, but it wasn't really ready for it. It's going to touch this target probably around, Monday. It's going to touch that 087603. Probably bounce off. It's probably going to do something like this, like right here, and then come back. Either going to go there again, 70 here, and then go there, 70 probably. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's for RCAD. So I'm not going to do another example. This one's another setup. Another setup that I have that you would get, where you can see your green candles, red candles, and whatnot. Then you can also see the double top, double bottom. This is going to be the double bottom area. Then you have the neckline. So this came out of here. It's pretty much, this happened to be the same. It's not always. Of course, we know they're different. For this particular case, this is close. Kind of close to that, right? Kind of close. But it wasn't good enough because you see how it came here and didn't pass this point, this top point, right? But once it passed that bottom point, it was a continuation down. It still was resistance, right? So this was even better. This bar right here was even better than using that at this particular moment. So I'm going to be using that for my next levels. Okay, on RCAD. So, but anyway, alright, so I'll see you guys, next week. I'm going to get some more people in here. At one point we had like 30 students before I shut the thing down. I took off trading for a year or whatever, but I'm back and excited and ready to get to the next million. They watched me trade for 10 months from 100,000 up to 1.1 million. And then it kind of bounced. I went up and down, then I've taken money out and all this stuff. And I went to New York. I did a lot of things, for the winter and everything. So, but I want to, before the end of the year, I want to see 2 million on that chart. You guys, going to go with me. So yeah, keep the group rules. Group rules are just going to be respect the teacher. That's it. Disrespect the teacher, or, I think you're being a little bit funny. That's what I mean by funny. Not by like being funny, right? But funny and kind of being weird. Okay. You're not going to be able to comment in the group chat. So, see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check out the Patreon. Put that link up. And I'll see you guys. Peace.
Konnect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.